Good evening, everyone. This is Iron Becker. I'm back with another book review, and this book is um is actually a novel, and I couldn't tell you how recently it was released. I'm not really sure of the publishing date. Um, I first heard this author because of another book that was recommended many years ago, and I've just kind of kept an eye out for his books, and he's published some really thought-provoking and interesting reads. So the book is called Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. And the premise of this book is that our son is dying and they're trying to figure out first why, what's going on, and goes through this whole thing. The story revolves around a primary character, of course, like all of his novels have, and his name is Ryland Grace. Um, I'm trying to think of how to cover this without giving away too many plot details. So what I'm going to do is this. First of all, if you haven't read the book, um, and you want a story that conveys the the width and breadth of humanity and the aspects of who we are as a people, the different behaviors, characteristics that we take on, um, and what a person may look like when he is on a suicide mission and the things that can happen. Um, I really like this novel because it really makes you kind of think about where Grace is at and the situation that he's put in on the suicide mission and how he responds. I love books like this because to me it helps convey the power of the human spirit. Um, Grace finds himself in a new solar system and looking for the solution to why our sun is dying and excuse me, what can be done about it. Uh, he he meets a couple alien species and he lives out an amazing life in this book um, because it really shows the power of survival that humans have. The the inner strength that we can summon when we are optimistic and things do not look like they're going in our favor. But what I love about Grace is that in this story, this character fights through to the end. He doesn't give up. Um, he does have his struggles. He does have some challenges, and he um, really just shows that power of the human spirit. That that while we have our failings, that we have our weaknesses, that when it comes to saving or helping other people, I believe he shows the best of humanity. Because while I know that there are people that are bad out there in the world that choose to hurt others and to cause injury and destruction, I believe that there are more people in this world that on a one-on-one level, they will care more for other people than not care. And grace really comes through with that in this novel. Um, Andy Weir seems to have a really good bead on what what a determined person can do despite the odds against him or her. So I know a lot of the books I've done have been business related, um, economics, history, politics, but I read a few novels because of imagination. I like to see other people's imagination, and I like to see and be influenced by creative minds. So go out and pick up Hail Mary or Project Hail Mary by Andy Weir. It's a great read. It's not too long. It's like 13 hours on Audible. And it's a beautiful story of sacrifice, of friendship, and determination. My friends, thanks for joining me tonight. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it. If you're looking for someone to help you level up your leadership skills and grow personally and professionally, that's what we do at Turning Leaf Solutions. You can go to the website turningleafs, leafs.com, and there's a couple of different links there. You can follow me on other social media platforms. You can book an appointment through Calendly, which I still think is a weird name, and get on my schedule, and we can see if what you're struggling with, I can help you with. If you get value from this, I said that. If you get value from this video, please like and share it. Otherwise, guys, I will see you either online or in person, wherever I know you. Take care. Have a great day.